Good morning, friends. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. Let's see what our morning meeting looks like. For our greeting today, we're going to have a dance greeting. That's right, each member of your family gets to share their dance moves. So go for it. See what you can do. For sharing today, we're going to be thinking of something that you can't do yet, but something that you're working on to get better at. One thing that I am not very good at yet is knitting really hard things like sweaters, but I'm trying, so I'm going to be good at it soon. Okay, let's read our morning message. It says, Dear Kindergarten, today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. It is the day 6 of virtual learning. We miss you. Can you see any sight words? Love the kindergarten teachers. So our I Spy for the day is looking for sight words. How many sight words do you see in the morning message today? See how many you can find, write them in your journal, and take a picture to share with us. Or you can use the typing tool and share your journal that way, just for fun if you want to. Our things that we need to do today for our responsibilities are the seesaw activities, reading in Raz Kids, and our Letterland Phonics online games. They're fun, aren't they? Our possibilities for today is a story time about a bad apple, Dreambox, of course. Are you liking those fun math games? And as always, we can do a Go Noodle brain break. Don't forget, you can always write in your journal. For our brain breaks today, we have some special fun things. One of them is a video about a song about the power of yet, like what we did for our sharing today. Also, there's a sight words wrap and a special video by Miss Benjamin. So that's very exciting. And as always, you can go to regular Go Noodle to do brain breaks anytime you need a break from learning. That's great. For our Read to Self time, don't forget you need to log in to Raz Kids. Use your teacher's sign-in name and write and read for at least 15 minutes. I know you can do it. Are you taking the quizzes? That's fun too. For story time today, we have the story about a bad apple. When you do that, don't forget to retell the story. You can retell the characters and settings of the story, and remember that's the things that we have worked on for reading. We have worked on doing all the characters, settings, problems, beginning, middle, end, and solution. So if you want to, you can write all about the characters and settings in your journal today. For our spelling lesson, it's a seesaw activity all about spelling. We're going to do a new activity. You will record yourself reading the sight words. You can use the pointer tool in Seesaw to touch the word and then read it. You should spell it and then read it, just like we do in class. And see if you like this spelling activity more than last week's spelling work. For our Letterland time today, you're going to be going back into the Letterland Phonics games. It's in your Rapid Identity Wake ID portal. So where you clicked into the Google Drive, you go back to that place and then click on the Phonics online games. For math today, we have an activity where you will use the microphone, just like with the spelling activity, to record yourselves reading the numbers. You should try to count and read the numbers as high as you can. This will get your brain ready for the seesaw activity that you will do for the math seesaw activity. For our science and social studies, remember the story, Leo the Late Bloomer. You can watch the video again before you do the lesson, but remember that we made a timeline in our class. That's down at the bottom underneath the story. And you will write or draw a picture of 3 things that you can do now that you are older. Like a page kind of like this, you can make a copy of it in your journal. Now that I am older, I can do one thing here, and one thing there. That's it, my friends. Look at all you can do. You are not a late bloomer. You are an always bloomer. See you tomorrow, my friend.